coming from my car. Okay, we're gonna freaking do it.
That'll be the best video ever.
That's crazy. What is that? Our first time trying Jollibee spaghetti. It's too loud. Take it off. Jonathan's showing me his car parts while we work.
They're springs for the coils, and we have lower control arms than toe arms.
Oh, and tow arms. Me and Jonathan parked right in front of the store so that we could work and see our cars. We're installing something today. It's officially 1 week of owning this car and it's on jack stands. Crazy, huh?
Yo, let me call you back. I'm skating downtown right now.
Skating, I'm contemplating, cruising under the sun and the earth. This is my stock catback. We're gonna be removing this. The first time ever under a car. I'm getting claustrophobic being under here. Thinking of like the worst case scenarios right now. I'm not usually ever under a car. We're using a 14 mil and a 12 mil to loosen the nut and bolt. We were trying to use the power tool, but then there was no space, so now we're doing it by hand. I think that's important. It has a spring on it. This is so cute. There you go, another spring. Oh no. Okay guys, we just disconnected the catback from the stock up pipe, and now we're gonna work on taking off the hangers. Here we got mini springs. They're so adorable. And we got Butters in the house. Say hi, Butters. So we're gonna remove the muffler from the stock catback so that it's easier to remove from the hangers. This light is so bright on my face. Now the last thing that we need to do is disconnect the pipe from the hangers. Thank goodness Adrian let us borrow his exhaust hanger tool. I heard it's a pain without it. First person to guess what suspension I'm getting in the comment section that isn't my friend gets a free I Just Sigh hoodie. Have you ever had a muffler fall on you? Guys, look who came.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video.
I forgot there was a dog. This is called a mid-pipe, guys. And this is my resonator. Thank you. W Kuya. It's really dark. I can't really see you guys. He's giving me a free exhaust. That's crazy. I almost let out the dog.
It's a Luong special. She's got the
What brand is
bazookas.
this? Spec-D.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing. Nothing. You never know. You could get sponsored.
Does he know about the suspension?
Nah. Installed it today too. Didn't come in on time. Yeah. That's a totally different video, guys. Did you get a haircut?
The one and only, you know.
He was his haircut. Y'all ever need a haircut?
Oh, wow. You guys are like surrounded by a bunch of flags. I still got paper plate. Hey, Butters.
You know how we
Am I getting anywhere?
There you go. You're getting it. You're getting it.
Shoot. Oh, guys. Upper body strength is not my strength. Bench PR is like 60 pounds. Cry.
That'll be the best video ever. Female gets state rev.
Okay, this one was kind of stubborn, guys, but I finally got it out. Now we have one more to go. That's my muffler. The tool got stuck to the hanger. Now, apparently this is tradition, but since we took off the whole stock catback, now we gotta turn on the car and rev it.
Rev it too. It's insane.
Guys, this is too loud.
No.
Luong got me a Spec-D Tuning Catback Exhaust. We're gonna have 2 exits and it's gonna look really cool. Okay, now let's go get on with the install. Wow, this is huge. didn't have any gasket replacements, so now there's a little bit of rasp.
Somebody who gave me the exhaust gave me shitty gaskets.
Hey guys, so today we're going to Cars and Coffee. We're a little late. It starts at 8. It's already 7:59. It is officially my first day with my new exhaust. As you can tell, it is warming up in the back. I didn't get to film the cold start, and especially because my car is underneath the roof, it's a little bit too loud. It echoes. I feel like my family wakes up from it. I'm just waiting for Ileana right now since we're gonna mob to the meet. She should be on her way. She did send me her ETA. Says that she's gonna be there in 5 minutes. What a coincidence. We parked next to the Tesla. We got some automotive protective solutions tint. So if you guys ever need some tint, go ahead and hit him up because he's pretty good at it. It is so dark in there. Got 35% in the front and then 5% all around. We just added so much to the car. Can you imagine a girl coming out of that car? As you saw in the last clips, we installed an exhaust. This was just a temporary exhaust since it was free by my very own Kuya Luong. He was kind enough to give us a free exhaust to celebrate the brand new car. I think it's a great exhaust to start off with, just so I can have some sound as I drive. I think it's the best thing ever. Later on, I do plan on upgrading and buying a new exhaust, but for now, I am prioritizing some other things that you'll be seeing in the upcoming new videos. Ileana is here! I wonder if you guys could tell like where I live from this footage. Say hi to the vlog. Oh. Alright, let's go. We're here with Mel. Say hi to the camera, Mel. And we're here with Kaylee! You see this, Kaylee? What car is this? You know what bags are? It's the thing that goes shh. What do you want to drive when you get older? I will hold your hand. Oh. Man! She's gonna yank your hair. Ileana likes that.
Oh, it's okay. Come here, Kaylee.
She gets scared of guys like
you're making, bro, come on. You're making her scared the more you hold her.
It's her first time trying Jollibee spaghetti. Spaghetti. You fob. That's good. Rate it from 1 to 10.
That's like a solid 10.
Yeah! So Jollibee, can you please sponsor? This is Shar. This is Irrelevant.
What the?
Nah, he's cool because he let me borrow his exhaust hanger tool. Yeah. Talking about Nanya. Take it off. Come on. That's crazy. Jaden just spun out.
He did not lie when he said he didn't wash his car.
Oh, yeah, it's on video. Put that in. This is Nico
No.
Mobile. This is Broken Necks. What's your at?
Nismo Sedan.
Oh, you're Nismo Sedan. I follow this dude. What's up, guys? We're here with Ileana. She has her own vlogging camera now. Go subscribe to her YouTube channel. And we're at the park with all of our friends. This is what Ileana drives. She drives a bag Honda Civic. She got a turbo in her car. How much you pushing, Ileana? That's Adrian's GR86. And that's Nico's Honda Accord. We had to take a trip back to Automotive Protective Solutions and fix the tint because there was some bubbling going on. Shout out to Steven for allowing me to get a brand new tint on the right side window just because there was bubbling. And then he also fixed my PPF since it was peeling off due to the rain. So if you guys ever need some tint, go to Steven because he's such a clutch. She's trying to be an ant. Oh.
I hurt my left knee, I hurt my right knee, and then earlier I hurt my elbow, and then I hurt my back, I hurt my neck, and then I fell down the hill, and then I flashed.
Is that Jonathan? Oh, that's Vinny.
Hey, fat ass.
Oh! Okay, go. Cartwheel and then backflip. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, 10 hut, 10 hut. Oh!
Okay.
Oh! 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 This is Mel. I'll insert that. This is Justin. Tin car. Wait, what do you drive?
I drive a Ford Focus.
A tin car.
Okay. BBS's 72s. All tires 215, 35.
What do you drive?
It's on Ultima.
Beware of her on the road, guys. She says she wants to drive.
Where should I go?
Actually, I don't know about that.
How was the car, Nico?
It's cool. Sounds healthy.
Yeah, thanks.
Why? Because it's new.
Okay. This is KO. What do you drive?
I drive a PT Cruiser.
Kiko, what do you drive? He's 14 years old.
And I know these bitches bad, but girl, they just not
Pick up girl. There's a girl here with Just kidding.
bad.